Hey guys, what's up? I'm Ruth, my host on ClickDodge, and today we have with us the Lenovo Yoga 730. This is their 700 series Yoga, which is the top of the line laptops that they have. And I'm gonna give you a quick hands-on overview of this laptop. This is their top of the line machines, and it has this two-in-one functionality where it turns into a tablet. It's a very sleek laptop if you can judge by the dimensions of it. Let me quickly give you a physical overview first, and then I'll talk about the features and how it is in terms of quality. This is how it looks on the top. It's a metal construction, looks very premium and very high in quality. It has yoga branding here. Here you can notice the hinges. On the bottom you would find some grills for heat dissipation, and here also you would find some fins and grills for heat dissipation. And here you would find two speaker outlets. These are the JBL tuned speakers, quite premium, and they sound really good. On this side of it you would find two USB type C Thunderbolt 3 ports. You also have a combination audio port, which is a 3.5mm for headphone and mic together, and there's a mic placed here. On the other side there is USB, and here you have the power port, which is good. It is on the side because you can use it in tablet as well as in the laptop mode, so having a power button on the side helps. The construction is quite robust and the screen is quite slim, as you can see. The weight is also quite manageable, as you can see here. It comes with a touch screen, full touch screen, since it also works in tablet mode. And once you open it up, you would notice that there is a fingerprint scanner provided here, so you can use the fingerprint scanner to log in. You can get into the laptop using the fingerprint, password, pin, etc., whatever you want to set up. It runs the standard Windows 10, which is quite fast. It is faster than most Windows PCs that I have seen. Talking about the screen quality, it is quite good when at full brightness, and it can go quite low. So if you are outdoors, it should be good enough, but it is reflective. That can be a problem for some users, may not be a problem for others. It uses the 8th generation Core i7 CPU, which is quite high end and quite fast, and comes with up to 16 GB of RAM. This one comes with 8 GB of RAM, the one that we are reviewing here, and comes with 512 GB of storage. With Windows, it is working pretty good. It's sleek, it's fast, it is slick. The performance is good. Talking about the audio performance, we found that the speakers could have been louder, but considering the size of this laptop, it is fine. The audio is not crackling. There's also a pen accessory which you can separately purchase, which can go with this screen, which will make the creative kind of applications possible. If you're a designer and you want to sketch, etc., that is possible. There is this slightly annoying springy motion. So if you tap it, or if you are touching the screen, you can see that it kind of has this spring action, and it takes a few seconds to get back. There's no fan running here, but still it is like swinging. It takes some time, it dampens, and it's fine. Probably it is nitpicking, but this is something that you need to know if you're spending 1 lakh rupees and upwards on a laptop. The typing experience on this keyboard is fine. It is better than what I expected. The keyboard has good, nice chiclet keys, and they are backlit. The travel is good. It's not very less, but it's not very deep as well. You would find that the typing is moderately easy on this one, and you will get some time to get used to. But good thing is that it's almost a full-size keyboard. The screen is 13.3 inches, and they have utilized almost all the width of this laptop for this keyboard. So that is good. The front camera is a 720p HD only. It's not a full HD, which is slight letdown because this is their top of the line model. They could have gone for a full HD, but again, the screen here is also a full HD, but on their website it says it supports up to 4K, but this one does not. Maybe they have a different lineup which comes with 4K screens, but this is a full HD, and I have no complaints because the resolution here is quite crisp. The text is clean and clear. It does not pixelate, and it does not look bad when you're looking at the screen, so no complaints here. In fact, if you're looking for a high-end laptop, this can be one of the good considerations, because Although it is high end, it gives you a package which you can easily carry around. It has multiple ports, it has a sorted audio experience, the Windows is pretty fast, it has a good configuration, gives up to 11.5 hours of claimed battery life if you're using it for normal purpose. If you're running something aggressive, the battery may last less, but these 8th generation chips are quite efficient, so they do not drain the battery too much. These are my 2 cents. It has some good things going in favor of it. The only worry that I have is that it wobbles like this too much. But if this does not bother you, it is a good solid piece of hardware. It can be turned into a tablet like this. It can be turned into a tent mode device like this, just to showcase your presentations, etc. And it can be placed like this as well for vertical presentations, like this as well if you want to use it like a photo frame, etc. So it has plenty of options, plenty of things that you can do with this. It's very versatile, it's very handy, it's easy to carry, and it comes with the solid build and construction of Lenovo. Most of the things are sorted about this. Performance is sorted, design is sorted. So if you want to get one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below this video. Go ahead and get one for yourself. These are my views of the Lenovo Yoga 730. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.